I'm seeing someone sleeping very soundly. Yan, no? Parang kalmado lang, no? May natutulog. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, malalim yung tulog. So, I think someone here could be dreaming about something. Okay? Alam mo, sometimes, di ba, parang pag nanaginip tayo, feeling natin ang haba-haba ng panaginip na yun. No? Parang may ganun tayong feeling. Sometimes naman, no, may mga panaginip na parang hindi siya mahaba, pero ramdam na ramdam mo. So, I think this is related here with dreams. Yeah, look at that. Six of Cups energy. Okay. I think this is something here related with you. But let me just gather more things, ha? Okay. I just want to make sure if this is something here that I'm sensing. Can you please show me more? But I think this is really going on kapag magpapahinga ka na or matutulog ka na. Yan. Ay, nakakita ko ng iba't ibang mga sitwasyon. But let me just get clear so that okay. Let's go ahead and get more informations. Yes. This is literally connected to panaginip, dreams. Okay? Where everything happens while you sleep. So I'm going to talk about that more. Let me just lay all the energies first on the table. Okay? Yeah, this is the normal reaction. Okay, but I'm going to talk about it more. Right at the heart or center of your reading, beautiful temperance energy. And I love it because it's next right to judgment. Six of Wands energy. There's victory here. Okay. So bago tayo magsimula, I want you to have an open mind dito because this is something here na posibleng sa iba sa inyo hindi nyo agad to maintindihan. But this is something here that I'm gonna reveal to you. So wala tayo ditong networking at hindi akong upline ninyo. Networking. Pero I'm gonna tell you something about this. If this reading resonates you, please apply this into your own unique situation. And wala tayo ditong gender mga babes ha, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo sweethearts, no, I welcome dito. And of course, this is timeless as well. But I do see that for a lot of you, this is something here going on right at this very moment or pwedeng mangyayari pa lamang no, in the near future, immediate future for you guys. So, yun nga, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Welcome to this channel. By the way, my name is Yan. Yan, no? Thank you so much. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much mga babes for your walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin dito. So, yun nga, no? Meron pa tayong other channel. So, if you want to make tambay din doon, the link is down sa ating description box. Yan, no? So, let me just talk about this. Yes, this is related to your dreams. Three of Cups energy. Dreams, everything that happens while you're sleeping. Okay? For a lot of us, ganito. Kapag nananaginip ang isang tao, okay, 75 to, let's say, 90% of human beings, ang alam lang nila is pag natutulog sila, yung panaginip is panaginip lang. And then when they wake up in the morning, okay, I really have a good sleep, maganda yung panaginip ko. Ay, bakit yung panaginip ko? Mga ganun, no? Ay, pero panaginip lang naman yun. That is that cliche line of every 75 to 90% of human beings all around the globe or sa earth, no? Because human beings tend to think, ay, panaginip lang naman yon. But let me just reveal this to you guys. Okay? This is something here that yung iba, pwedeng pakunti-kunti, may alam na kayong information about this. Yung iba naman, no, pwedeng ngayon nyo pa lang ito maririnig. So, you might be shocked or you might be surprised or you might think, huh? Totoo ba yan, miss yan, no? So, alam nga namang ibogus ko kayo dito. So, if you're really wanting to know the truth, then listen up, babe. Our dreams is not just a dream. The dreams na kapag nananaginip tayo habang tayo ay tulog, wala tayong malay, no? Dreams is the portal of unlocking who we really are. Halo-halo na yan, no? Andyan na lahat ng mga kaganapan ng nangyari sa past lives mo, okay? Andyan na lahat ng mga posibleng mangyayari pa lang sa'yo, mga signs and clues, no? Lahat ng mga nakikita mo habang nananaginip ka ay hindi wala lang. Pero 90% of human beings all around the globe tend to think, ay, panaginip lang pala yun. But it's not panaginip because when you're sleeping, your diwa is gising na gising. Ang soul ng human being ay gising na gising, no? When we are sleeping, we tend to open different doors. That's why, yung iba, alam mo, hindi lang isa yung naalala ko sa panaginip ko eh. Alam mo, marami akong nakita sa panaginip ko eh. You know? Pero panaginip lang yun. Ang ganda, sana totoo na lang yun. Di ba may ganun-ganun tayong kinikwento sa mga friends natin, no? Human beings tend to talk like that, no? Ganda na panaginip ko, pre, sana totoo na lang yun. Ay, nako, sis, hindi ko talaga gusto yung napanaginipan ko. Grabe yun, no? Hindi ko nakita yung sarili ko rin, pero, yan. So, it's true that a human being, no, pwedeng ma-reincarnate with different faces, different physical appearances, no? And if you keep on seeing different faces right here, but you feel like ikaw yun, then that is definitely you. Might be in one of your past lives, no? Six of Cups energy, no? This is you, no? You're in this type of energy, no? That natutunan mo rito, no, with a lot of people, no, na panaginip lang yun, no, habang ikaw ay tulog, no, pero hindi mo alam na habang nagpapahinga ang body, yun yung time na mas nakakapaglakbay ang ating soul sa iba't ibang timeline. And it's true that you can travel back in time, anumang oras yan, okay, in one of your past lives and even in the future. May mga panaginip ka bang paulit-ulit? May mga panaginip ka ba rito nakikita? Mga mukha ng mga tao na akala mo hindi mo pa na-meet before? Then, those are the glimpses of what is about to happen now. Because here, if this is your reading and you keep on getting here dreams na, ay, akala ko totoo. No? Yung parang, ay, ano ba yung panaginip na yun? Ba yan? Mga ganyan, no? So, akala mo yung mga bagay na yan, hindi nangyari, hindi totoo, parte lang ng illusion mo, but it's not that. Because you tend to open a lot of doors while you're sleeping, Seven of Cups energy, and when you wake up in the morning, wala lang naman pala yun. Yan. But it's part of your destiny. Temperance, right? The center of this reading, it's the destiny brewing something here for you guys. Judgment, beautiful, right next to temperance energy. You are seeing, ang nakikita mo ay mga pangyayari na posibleng nangyari na noon, yun na pala yung sagot sa tanong kung bakit ka nakaka-experience ng mga paulit-ulit na situations sa buhay mo dahil sa iyong nakaraan. Malaki ang kinalaman ng iyong nakaraan sa present moment na pamumuhay mo. At yung iba naman, no, ay posibleng ang pinapakita sa iyo ay mga pangyayari sa future na hindi pa nagaganap, pero yun pala ay pinapakita na sa iyo rito upang maghanda ka na salubungin ang mga sitwasyon na paparating na ito. So, yung mga panaginip ay hindi dapat balewalain dahil yan ay ang portal kung saan binibigyan tayo ng signal ni universe na ito yung mga paparating sa buhay natin. So, be grateful, be thankful because those things, no, ay binibigay sa atin upang tayo ay makapag-prepare or handa. Ang mga panaginip na yung mga ganyan, akala mo, ay, ano yun? Ang laki naman ng rabbit na yun, nakita ko yung blah, 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 blah. So that's why, okay, this is you, ay, illusion lang yun, no? Pero you do not know that there's bigger meaning, no? Bakit ano yung bagay na yun, no, nung kinalaman nun sa buhay mo, no, malaki. Kasi lahat ng nakikita mo sa panaginip mo, pati yung mga syungit, mga bangungot, no, lahat-lahat yan ay parte ng iyong nakaraan or parte ng iyong kakaharapin pa lamang. Okay? So, nakikita ko rito, no, na isa itong magandang oportunidad kasi dito, muling magbabalik dito yung mga oportunidad na posibleng na-miss mo. Okay? At dito binibigyan ka ng pangalawang pagkakataon ni universe na matanggap itong mga oportunidad na lumampas or lumipas sa'yo. Regardless kung ngayong lifetime yan or ngayong timeline yan or yun ng mga timeline mo noon, no? Or past connections mo or past lives mo. Okay? So whatever the case may be, may mga opportunities rito na kahit tagal, no, na makikita mo ulit. No? Muli yang ipapakita sa'yo, no? This time, make sure to grab it. Okay? This time, may mga bagay ka ritong talo ka noon, pero ito ay muling mauulit, pero this time, mananalo ka naman ngayon. May mga nakikita ko rito, no, na mga tao na nakilala mo na noon ang muli mong makakasalamuha ngayon. Regardless kung nagpalit-palit na sila ng mga mukha nila or whatever, no, basta meron ditong mga past lives connections ang muli mo ritong makakasama. Maaring naging kaibigan mo na siya in one of your past lives na muli mo siya ritong mamimit sa timeline or sa lifetime ng ito. Or ikaw ito na dati mo pala siyang nanay, no, doon sa ika-12 reincarnation mo. Whatever the case may be, you will meet once again the people that you've already met before. And there are a lot of opportunities here na iuulit, pero this time, mananalo ka na. Make sure to use your intuition right here because there's a lot of you right here. Panaginip lang pala yun. Pero parang feeling ko totoo. Ayan, no? Parang feeling ko, yan, no? Yung parang pag ginising ka rito ng nanay mo o ng kapatid mo, no? Parang, ano ka ba? Bakit ako ginising? Yun na yun eh. Yun na yun eh, no? Parang, diba? So whatever the case may be, nakikita ko rito that this is not just dreams. And I want you to look at your dreams seriously because those are parts of you, tingi-tingi, no, ng buhay mo at bumubuo sa pagkatao mo. Sino ka noon at sino ka man ngayon ay malaki ang kinalaman nun. At ang panaginip, no, alam mo ako excited ako pag matutulog ako eh. Kasi alam ko na makikita ko rito, ma-unlock ko rito yung mga pagkatao ko, no? Kaya excited ako, no? Alam mo yun, no? Doing that skincare routine, no? Susuot mo yung headband mo, no? Habang natutulog ka, no? Tapos meron kang, ano, no? Alam mo yung good night sleep, no? Kasi alam ko magta-travel na naman ako, eh. Okay? So, when you're sleeping, you are excited. Diba? Ay, na-miss yan. Ibang panaginip ko, hindi ko naman naaalala. Okay lang yan, babes. Okay? Pero when you are in your dream, try to remember. Especially if you are having a lot of questions sa sarili mo. No? Kasi maraming mga bagay dito yung hindi mo natatanungin. Akala mo, illusion lang yon. na mga nakikita mo sa panaginip mo. No, it's not. Those are really part of your pagkatao. And here, nakikita ko na parang binibigyan ka dito ng advices na makikita mo ulit yung mga taong nakasalamuha mo na before. At may mga bagay rito na mga pagkakataon na na-miss mo, no? Pwedeng before. Pero this time, magwawagi ka na patungkol dyan. No? Use your intuition right here. Observe. Be aware. Because there are a lot of things right here, no? Na muli ritong magbabalik sa nakaraan, no? The universe is giving you second chances here. No, yung iba na posibleng meron kayo ritong pagkakamali na nagawa, no, in one of your past lives, universe can definitely give you another chance to make it right. Kung ano man yon, if there is. No? So this is the time wherein you gather all of your dreams. Try to remember it, jot it down. If you see someone in your dreams and you feel like, no, yung iba kasi, no, they tend ito, I'm just gonna give you an example here, no. I talked with someone before, and then he mentioned na dun sa kanyang panaginip, lagi na napapanaginipan, no, yung isang babae, no, and for some reason, he or she feels like na siya yun, eh, but he is a guy, no, pero dun sa panaginip niya, nararamdaman niya na siya yung woman dun. Okay? So, there could be an instance talaga that you were born, hindi ka naman nare-reincarnate with the same gender eh. You are not always a man and then you will reborn as a man again. Okay? It will happen that you will be reincarnated in a different gender naman. Diba? And this is a part of past life. No? And whatever the case may be, you're gonna realize all of those things, no? So, if you're trying to unlock this, I know this is something here na posibleng hindi interesado yung iba, no? Unlock yung past lives, ganyan, or whatever. But this is something here that I think bubuo sa pagkatao mo, especially if you have a lot of questions here. Okay? Take your time. We do have here enough time. And it's so interesting, no, na unti-unti mo nabubuo yung pagkatao mo, na, sa tingin ko, ako yon, no, noon. Kaya pala ganun yung nangyayari, kasi ganun pala yun, no. So, nakikita ko rito na meron dito mga pangyayari, no, na umiikot at nag-e-evolve, no. And I think universe is preparing you na maghanda because there are a lot of things right here that you need to work. Mm-mm. But at the end of the day, it is all you na magbe-benefit dito. Okay? So, huwag may tapon dito yung mga napapanaginipan mo, sweethearts, because those are part of you. Every piece, every 0.001% of your dream, remember it or you do not remember it, then, okay, it's okay. Basta pag na-remember mo, jot it down, try to jot it down because you're gonna put everything, no, little by little, no, that is unlocking your past. That is unlocking who you truly are. Yeah. Okay? So prepare yourself, sweetheart. Universe is right next to you. And the universe is guiding you. This time, you're gonna win. Okay? So, thank you so much mga babes. No? Sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong.